Hello YouTube. Yeah. I got one of my new toys out here. Yeah. Yep. Case 580C backhoe. I mentioned, if some of you know, in one of my other videos, I mentioned I was going to get 2 new toys. Old Case 580 backhoe. Used to belong to a state, I believe. That's why the color is yellow instead of orange. It does have, it's not an enclosed, factory enclosed cab. It's got a aftermarket vinyl kit on it, which is actually a little nicer in my opinion, because you can take all that stuff down during the summertime and it won't be as hot. But this is a very nice machine. Pulled it home with the old Power Stroke. Been keeping it plugged in at night. Makes for a much easier, much smoother start in the mornings. Much smoother. It don't clatter and bang like it usually does when it's started. I bought the hoe and the trailer, both for $8,500. Hell of a deal. Got the trailer unhooked for now. Hell of a deal. I believe it's a 10-ton equipment trailer, panel hitch. This old truck pulled it home, no problems at all. I didn't get no video towing like I wanted to. I was in a hurry to get out of here to get up there where I bought it, and I forgot the camera, which kind of sucks, but it's alright. Case. I've been wanting a tractor with a front end loader on it, because we do a lot of junking and everything, and we've lifted a lot of stuff by hand that takes 2-3 people to lift. And then I buy all kinds of old farm implements and stuff that we use that rollback to haul it, and a big wrecker to lift it. But now all we gotta do is use this. It's a lot more convenient. But for what they wanted for little tractors, I was looking at, I think I was looking at a little Kubota. They wanted $13,000 for it. It wasn't really a little one, it was a big enough one to do what I wanted to do with. I bought this and the trailer a hell of a lot cheaper. Oh, get inside here if I can. Well, falling. This is something different. I've looked at a lot of these old Case backhoes, and none of them had this. This is a high and low range on the transmission. You got your 4-speed and your high and low. Of course, you got your forward and reverse shuttle shift, and your clutch is right there. This one don't have a push button clutch. And then your brakes and throttle and bucket. Let's see if she'll start. It's only about 20 degrees out here. Yeah, it's only about 20 degrees, so let's see what she'll do. Turn the heater off. See, neutral. Whoops, wrong button. Little throttle. There she went. As you can see, it doesn't smoke at all. Only when she's being started in the morning, and that's it. No smoke whatsoever. It's a very, very nice machine. Only has 3,500 hours on it. They didn't use it much. Very nice. And it is a diesel, but you probably already figured that. I believe it's 4-cylinder case or 3-cylinder. I think they're 4-cylinder. 55 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel. Now the 580D came out after these, and I was looking at one of them, but I didn't like the motor it had in it. Very nice. The motor that it had in it, the 580D, it had it coming. And it had a lot more hours on it, so I just popped this one instead and it was cheaper. But I just don't like the engine. I mean, I'd rather have the industrial, the Case industrial engine over the Cummins. You know what I mean? For a hard, you know, the way these get used, I'd rather have that industrial engine. And I don't really have nothing against Cummins engines, but
cause I'm running late. These mountain grapes are mighty steep. Can't stay awake. I ain't had no sleep.
When they're being used in something like this, I don't like them.
Dangerous curve.
I prefer the industrial engine. They're a hell of a lot tougher. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
There's a cute little waitress at the bottom of the grade. She's got the coffee already made. I gotta keep my eyes up on the road, cause I'm going down the hill with a heavy load. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. Well, I must have closed my eyes for a while, cause here I am and I'm a running wild. I burnt my brakes, stripped my gears, gonna have to ride her down, I fear. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. I wish I'd have left the women alone, but it's too late now, cause I think I'm gone. I got myself into this fix just because I tried to mix. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.